Welcome to day 23 of our 101 Days of Data Science. Today we're diving into Pandas, one of Python's most powerful libraries. It's essential for data manipulation, and you'll use it in nearly every data science project. Pandas is a must-have library for data manipulation and analysis. It provides tools to work with structured data intuitively and efficiently. Today we'll focus on two key structures, DataFrame and series. A data frame is like a table with rows and columns perfect for handling datasets. It's similar to a spreadsheet or SQL table, with each column capable of holding different data types. In the example in this code, we create a data frame from a dictionary where keys represent column names, and values are lists representing rows. Pandas makes it super easy to organize and display data. A series is like a one-dimensional array or a single column from a data frame. It's great for working with sequences of data. In our series example, we created a sequence for ages, where each number represents an age value. This structure is fundamental for storing and manipulating data in a sequence. Pandas allows you to manipulate data in powerful ways, like filtering, sorting, or even calculating statistics. In this example, we first filtered the data frame to show only rows where the age is greater than 28. Then, we sort the data frame by the age column. These operations are basic building blocks for data analysis. They provide the foundation upon which the entire analysis process is built. Today, we've learned how to work with Pandas, a crucial tool for data science. Understanding data frames and series is just the beginning, forming the foundation for future data manipulation tasks. Tomorrow, we'll explore NumPy, the powerhouse for numerical data and calculations. If you've ever wondered how to work with arrays or perform complex math operations, NumPy has the answers.